All right, so here's the Murphy M3 running Crosspoint. I'll just go ahead and throw it into sleep mode real quick so that you can see. Yep, it is Crosspoint. Crosspoint based. A lot of the features that are within my version here are probably not going to make it into their actual repo. Things like the audio and PDF features are just not on their roadmap. So I may fork and make an M3 version of this just so that it's available to the community. How much I keep it up to date compared to the actual Crosspoint, I don't know. It'll need some community maintenance, but yeah, if you hit browse files, obviously you can see all touch works. Backlight does work. I had to write a library for it to be able to control the backlight. And I have noticed that touch sometimes is like you have to touch a few times. I don't know whether it's the loading or whatever, but the buttons always do work. As you can see, we have PDF, Mobi, and EPUB support. These are just some test books that I threw in here. When you open a PDF for the first time, it's typically, and as you can see, touch is being finicky right now. But when you open it, it's going to have to convert the book first. And then it'll be able to read the book. I don't have any books that have a bunch of images in it, and I haven't done a bunch of thorough testing on this, but it does support the on-device PDF conversion as well as on-device Mobi conversion, which is pretty cool. And also, obviously, it has audio section where you can go in and select audio from the system as well. I haven't done a bunch of testing on the audio playback, but this thing obviously does have an audio DAC and a 3.5mm jack, so there is obviously a reason for that. And then obviously if you go in here to settings, I have added this front light feature, right, where you can adjust the backlight from 0 in increments of 20 up to 100%. So that's basically it. That kind of covers it. I did do some work in order to get the battery to report correctly. It is lasting a really nice long time. It's been on like overnight and into today, and it's still at 97%. So yeah, it's doing really good. I've already uploaded the firmware files just to a Google Drive folder, but I may fork and make a GitHub repo, and then I will share those details when I get there. But yeah, totally works. And there's a couple little hiccups in it, but it's stuff that I will probably work out in due time. That this was all done in one day, including the 3D printed case that it is in right here. This has just been printed on one of my Bamboo Labs printers here, but yeah, it works great. Hope the community enjoys it.